Hello everyone, this is Ashrita from Truly Nutrition. I'm a nutrition consultant. I did my masters in applied nutrition and I'm a certified food and spirit practitioner. You can reach me at trulynutrition.edite.clinic. Today's topic is about what are the different foods to eat during seasonal change. Now is the time of spring season and this is the time we shift from winters to hot summers. This is the gap between winter season and summer season. There will be a quite shift in the climate during this season. Spring is a season for climatic change. We slowly start drifting to summer. Temperatures are quite fluctuating. Sometimes it's too hot and by the evening or midnight it is still cold air out. Lot of pollen grains suspend in the air now. People with pollen allergies will face severe symptoms of allergy like rashes, cold, redness on the face. This is the time for viral and bacterial proliferation too. There will also be a noticeable shift in our metabolism. Appetite will be lost and we feel tired always. We look forward to drink more liquids than eat solids. This is a season we should make transformation to our diet as well as prevent ourselves from getting sick due to seasonal flux. Let us look into foods that promote our health. Coconut water. Coconut water is better for hydration. It's a rich source of electrolytes that help you to keep active all through the day. Drink this water between 10 to 3 pm for better results. Sugarcane juice. Sugarcane juice is one such drink that aids in hydration as well as in digestion. It helps in bile production and aids in better digestion of fats. Best time to drink this sugarcane juice is also between 10 am to 3 pm. Chia seeds. These seeds are rich in omega 3 fats. This kind of fats reduces inflammation, gives you healthy skin, prevents skin dryness, and helps in absorption of many other vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, and K. Basil leaves are a kind of herbs. Adding basil leaves to drinking water helps to cool down your body, and the phytochemicals present in basil leaves helps to keep seasonal diseases away. Palm jaggery. Palm jaggery is a kind of jaggery that is extracted from sap of palm flower. This is the time of the year we get palm jaggery. This palm jaggery is having very low glycemic index, so it is diabetic friendly. It also acts as a coolant. It's a very rich source of iron and it has many phytochemicals that wards off bacterial infections. Buttermilk is another cooling drink in this season. Replace curd with buttermilk. It is also having similar probiotic effect as curd. Usually, milk production is low in this season, so reduce the consumption of milk. Instead, look for alternative sources like plant-based milk. Melons and berries. This is a season for melons and berries. These kind of fruits are very rich in vitamin C, soluble fiber and antioxidants. They have good amount of water in them, so they act as very good coolants. They help to prevent seasonal diseases as they are very rich in vitamin C. Production of gourds and cucumbers is more in this season. These kinds of vegetables are rich in water as well as they have good amount of fiber. The fiber present in these gourds helps as prebiotics, thereby helps in better digestion and also reduces constipation. Millets are the grains that should be added to your plate during this season. These millets are rich in fiber. This fiber helps in good management of blood glucose levels. This promotes steady energy throughout the day. Millets like foxtail millet, ragi, jowar have more cooling effects. It is better to prefer plant-based protein from moong dal, black-eyed peas and moth beans in your diet. The fiber present in these pulses is soluble fiber and easily digested and better absorbed as well. Eating these pulses in the form of sprouts helps for better absorption of the protein and also for easy digestion. Try to include jeera, fennel seeds, ginger, methi seeds in your cooking. These spices have cooling effect and they aid in better digestion. We have seen what are the foods that we have to include in our diet during this seasonal shift. Now let us see what are the foods we have to avoid eating during this season. Avoid eating deep fried food, sugary food, spicy food, carbonated water and water from refrigerators. I hope this video is helpful to you and makes a difference on your meal plate. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Truly Nutrition.